ring?
Ring? This pendant, right? That's your ring. Bracelet. Huh?
Improve your, I know.
Where am I putting?
This is actually improve your blood circulation
Really?
because it's copper.
No, I want to get one.
It's $2.
$2?
But it'll turn your skin green.
Oh, get the gold one. Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog, FilAm Life in America. So we're here today in my friend's house again. As you know that we are house sitting, so we're here every other day to check the place, see everything's okay here, and also we water the plants and their yards, so everything is good. So we're here today guys again, and this is their home. So I'm here in the kitchen. Yes, this is their house. So I'm gonna tour you around here in the living room guys. So mamaya guys ay pupunta kami ng downtown Los Angeles. Ito yung living room nila. Ayan, this is their home. And yeah, so today we're going to toy districts. So I'm gonna get something over there. I think I'm gonna get some powder kasi so it's cheap over there, so inexpensive stuff. So we're gonna go and look around. And this is their guys, another living room. It's like a formal living room here sa bahay nila. So my husband is watering the grass. He's watering the grass. Yes. So this is their dining area right here. So and then let me show you the stairs, and I don't have to go upstairs, but this is their stairs right here. I like the stairs. It's a cute home there. It's a cute home. So this is their house here with the chandelier. So this is their house here in Northridge. Yes, so mamaya guys, makita-kita tayo sa toy districts, and papakita ko sa inyo kung anong nabili ko sa So we're gonna walk around there today.
Later.
Welcome everyone to my vlog. Walking around today at Toy District, downtown Los Angeles. So here, just like this is a strip mall here at Toy Districts. There's a lot of inexpensive stuff that you can buy here. Look at this one. Malunggay? Oh, they have malunggay here. Hello. Malunggay. A lot of medicines. Baskets. So this place is like the Philippines. Lots of Mexican vendors. Lots of t-shirts here too. Selena. Mexican dresses. What's going on? Cars are beeping all over the place. So more Mexican vendors here. Toys. Mexican food truck. Oh, there's a homeless guy.
I ain't got nothing, man. Sorry.
You want the chips?
Huh?
Chips.
Shrimp? Chips? Chips? Get some chips. Mexican. Should get some chips. More dresses. Oh, look at this. It's cute. Nice dress, huh? Mexican dress. And again, we're at the schedule area. Oh, this smells that smells so strong. The shower's gone. So we're at the schedule area. The shower's gone. Maybe it's over there. Earlier we passed a shower for the homeless. Shower truck for the homeless. Maybe it is over there. So more. Let's go back. So more strip mall here. Let's go this way. Let's go walk some more, guys. Tutuwa ko kayo dito sa toy districts. So you can buy a lot of stuff here for cheaper prices. So we come here today because I bought my powder here for $2.50. $2.50. Murang-mura lang siya. Very inexpensive. Alright guys, some more walking. You know, the last time I was here, nakahanap ako, I found $5 on the ground. Sometimes people dropping money in the ground, you know. So make sure you look down, and just in case you found money on the ground, you know. So more vendors.
Pásale que le damos, pásale, I'm gonna charge you the video, okay?
She's gonna charge you for the video. That's fine. T-shirts. Oh, sí. Look at this lizard. This is parrot.
How much for the beta?
$5 each.
$5?
Hey, there's no chicken.
Por favor, de dos, por favor.
So, parang baklaran dito. Daming accessories. More stores. It's like wholesale pricing. Look at this. Duyan, huh? It's a hammock. You got a hammock. Yeah. Alright guys, nandito kami sa loob ng Mexican store. So a lot of Mexican stuff here. Marami silang stone. Look at these purple stones. $12 pound. a lot of accessories here. What is this for? What
Put
is
your
that?
weed in here.
For smoking?
Yeah, it's for smoking. Pipes.
Pipes. Okay. Look at this. There's a lot of crystals here. This is $2. It's like a pendant. Lots of stuff. This is smelly for your bathroom. What's that?
Alright.
Ring? This pendant, right? That's your ring. Bracelet. Huh?
Improve your, I know.
Where am I putting?
This will actually improve your blood circulation
Really?
because it's copper.
No,
Yeah,
I want to get one.
it's $2.
$2?
But it'll turn your skin green.
Oh,
It's
get the
supposed
gold
to
one.
It's not gold, it's like brass.
It makes my maybe I feel itchy if I wear that one. Turning into black. It's flipped. It's not real. There's more stuff here. Mexican stuff. Ah. Oh, sorry. There's a ball here. $2. You want to get some balls? $2. Plato. We get them both? We don't have Mexican bowl. Salsa. Which one you like? These are like $2, guys. So I'm gonna get $1.50 each. Wholesale. Wholesale price. $1.50. That's me here. Alright, guys. See you guys around.
1 hour later. 1 hour later.
Hi again. Hello guys. Welcome back. So, I'm here. We're back home now. Galing kami ng Toy District. So, we're back again in my friend's house. We're here today. And we're house sitting in their house while they're gone. So, ngayon guys, ay gusto ko lang share sa inyo kung ano-ano pinabili ko doon sa Toy District sa downtown Los Angeles. Ipakita ko sa inyo guys kung magkano yung binayaran ko sa lahat ng nabili ko. So anyway, here we go. Let's open the bag. Yes. So, palagi ako every time guys na pagpupunta kami ng downtown LA kasi doon kami nagba-vlog doon sa Skid Row area kasi maraming homeless doon. So, sometimes we stop at the store, we're looking around, we do shopping. And again, today, I just wanted to go there because I'm running out of my face powder. So, I went to the store and bought another face powder that I've been using lately. So, here's what I bought today, guys. Same owner, same store. I bought Silky powder. Yes, with SPF 10, oily free, Italia Deluxe. Yes, and I paid $2.50 on one face powder. Is that really cool? Nakakakamura ka talaga, guys. I mean, if you buy this at the Walgreens or CVS, I don't know if they have this over there, but more expensive. So if you're looking for a cheaper and expensive makeup, you go to Toy District. So here we go, guys. Maganda naman siya. I'm using it right now. So mas maganda talaga siya pang finishing after you pour makeup on. So ano siya, guys, toast. Yeah, number 10. Yun ang gamit ko ngayon, toast siya, guys. So for $2, I bought 2. So next time hindi na ako babalik doon para bumili ulit. So I bought 2 pieces, $2.50 each, is $5. And then I bought another new lipsticks, Muse Matte Italian Deluxe also yan. So I'm wearing the other one that I bought last time. So I bought, yeah, this is the new one. So I have already four of those. So different colors. So this, I like the other one. So this is cost me $1. $1, guys. Mura lang siya. So okay, so that's what I bought. So $7. So before we walking around the toy district, the last stop is we stop at the Mexican store. So I bought some balls. Yung nakita mo kanina, tumitingin-tingin ako doon. So I purchased 2 bowls right here. This is a Mexican bowl. This is cost $2. If you buy wholesale price, it will cost you $1.50. O, diba? Mura na rin yun. Very, very mura na. So, pumili lang ako ng dalawa, guys. Right here. Yan. Yan. So, $4. Yan. So, ang nabili ko lahat, nagastos ko today while nasa downtown LA kami sa toy district. I spent $11 for everything today, guys. Yeah. Yun lang pinunta ko doon sa downtown sa toy district, bumili nito ng face powder kasi mura lang siya, guys. I mean, you don't have to buy expensive product, you know. I mean, some stuff, even cheap price, so good for your skin. Because me, I bought a lot of expensive stuff, you know, for my skin, but hindi ako hiyang sa ibang expensive products. So my skin hiyang sa mga cheap product, cheap skin. So yeah, why even waste money, diba? If hindi ka naman hiyang sa mga mamahaling beauty products. So just rather buy the cheap one that is good for your skin, right? So that's it, guys. Just wanted to share with you kung anong pinamili namin habang nandun kami sa toy districts. So yun lang, guys, gusto ko lang share sa inyo. And again, if you enjoyed this video, please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel kung hindi pa kayo napag-subscribe. So thank you so much for coming today, and have a wonderful day to all. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye.